I'm Sarah and this is Cortland Hurd, and we are going to learn how to make a wreath today at the home farm in our wreath making workshop, which is actually at owner Susan Hurd's house. So there's a bunch of different choices for wreaths. We actually have back here, this is what's this called? Tabletop. This is Kevin. He's going to teach me how to make a wreath. Hi Kevin. What is this? An Advent wreath, which is you put the Advent candles in it, and then you can see the decorations. And Kevin actually just finished over here. This is a boxwood, and was that an 8-inch or a 14-inch? 10 inch. Okay. So in wreath sizes, we have 8-inch, 10,
12, 14, 16, 18, and 30.
And 30, which is like a really big one. And today, Kevin, we decided that we're doing a
14.
A 14. So it starts off with this ring down here, and then the decision that you have to make is what kind of greens to put in it. So the one that Kevin just did was an all boxwood. The Advent's all greens. And then Kevin, what's that one?
This is a mixed boxwood and balsam.
So boxwood and balsam. Balsam is a type of evergreen tree. So we have 6 types of evergreen trees at the farm. So there's a lot of decisions that go into the wreath making. And then Kevin, this one was?
That's holly and balsam again.
Balsam again. And I'm not really particular on the kind of greens as long as they smell good. Do they smell good? Yes. Okay, so, all right, Kevin, I have the ring, and this apple bin, I don't know if you want to get around there, Erica, and take it from like a distance. So this apple bin has been converted to a wreath making machine. So it looks like an apple bin, but then it's got this piece of plywood on top, and then there's this foot pedal down here, and then it's got this little clamp, and Kevin's gonna teach us how to do this. All right, so Kevin, what are we doing?
First thing is you take the ring and you start with two prongs. You gotta line them up inside the clamp.
Okay.
Then you gotta create your hands of the greens that you're gonna lay in here to clamp down.
Okay.
So you have to start picking through, and you don't want too many spiky ones because that doesn't look too nice. So you try to find one
like
more like this, where it ends in the trio.
Oh, I see. Okay, so then looking at the tips, we want it to have a little bit more of a trio or maybe a Y, rather than just a straight out
right, the
to
straight
the
out
top.
spikes look. And you can lay underneath as filler, but you don't want them sticking out like that because it doesn't look as nice.
And all of these greens are picked from our trees.
Yes.
So somebody has to go out to the trees and actually trim these off the trees. So these are fresh picked from our farm, pretty much daily. Okay, so you're making a bunch, so I need to catch up. So we're each gonna make a bunch, but you just did that very quick, and I'm like, can I use this, or should I chop this piece off?
Oh, sure, you can use it, but lay stuff on top. So you're gonna start filling it like this. You're gonna create what's called a hand.
Is this too wide at the hand?
It's a little wide. That's right. You can always work with it.
Does it matter? Like, can I use this short piece?
Yes, you can lay it in. It's all filler.
All right, so I just want to make a fluffy little hand, and then the idea is to look for the right length then to fill in all the
right length and right. So there's stuff sticking out sort of on both sides, kind of symmetrically. It's never symmetric, but you want it to be ballparkish.
So what kind of greens are these?
This is probably a mix of. I think these are Douglas firs.
I mean, they're a little pokey, not super pokey.
Right.
So how do I know when it's full enough?
Right. But usually once you got, see, I need a hole. See, there's a hole here. I need to fill something there.
So like I should be filling.
Yeah, you got a gap here
And a gap there.
Yep.
So I'm like aiming for those two. All right, I'm gonna dig down these lower ones. See if we got the greens in here. So these really long ones, then, can I like trim the pieces that I want?
Yeah, you cut them down. You cut I cut them all the time. All right, so that's kind of what you're looking for, something.
All right, hold on. Let me get mine too, because I want to stay right up with you. I just need one more. I don't know. Am I over? Ooh, this is really. Can it be too fluffy? Is there like a too little or too much?
Not really. There's too little. Yeah, too much can be.
All right, so. You think good?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm okay with criticism. All right, so now we both have. Hold on. Let's wave our hands at the camera. Okay. You see how this is happening? Because this is the key to success. So he put this in there.
And it has to angle slightly up so the branches are shooting out.
Okay, so we want to kind of come out, and then this is almost like tangent to the wreath thing in its own little mathematical way. And then we clamp it.
Then you spin it and set it in the next hand.
Okay, so here we go. Now, like, how do I know where to be this way?
You try to look where the tips are here, so it's not covering up that one completely.
So much green. Like this?
Yeah, that's fine. That's good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, where's my pedal? Hold on to the pedal.
Watch your fingers.
Okay, like this?
Yep, push down.
Whoa,
Pull it
whoa.
down.
and then let go.
Yep.
All right, 2 down.
And you check and you just make sure everything's in. And it's all good. Then you move.
All right, so let's hold it up to see what we got so far. All right, so we have 2 done, and we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 more. All right, this is gonna have to be team effort. And Carol, can you come help me? Kevin, don't leave me. You're still doing stuff over there? Okay, good. I think we need to do team effort on this wreath. We still had 12 more of these to go. So this is is it a 14 inch and it has 14 clamps?
Yeah.
So, Dan Carol, we're gonna teach you how to make a hand of greens.
All right.
So basically, you need to make like a bouquet of greens that's fanning out like your hand.
It's starting to look like that.
Get close, like a how it's made moment. Okay.
That's how mine looks. I feel like mine might be too fluffy. Now look at the difference between here. I don't know. Eric, come behind us, maybe. They look so different, but are they okay? Or is
It's
one?
okay. We got to fill this. You see this has that spike thing's going on? Spike.
So should we
Here's this more.
So
It's got the fluffier ends as opposed to
see, and Carol, your spike
the ends
things.
and spikes.
So is it
Which
better
are
to
good at
cut?
the bottom, and we can lay those under, but you gotta put something. She has to go more the 3 ones on the fluffy
So 3.
on top. Yeah, cover it up like that. Yeah, that's exactly what
But
you
isn't that a spike still? She's ending it.
No, but
Yeah, but see, once you fill it in there,
I see, just filling in the space. So you could have like a bunch of spikes in the back,
as long as you got
or
something filling it in.
a lot of these
You can
fluffy
find a lot,
colors.
yeah. So when we're making a wreath, these always get picked out first.
The fluffies.
The fluffies, then you gotta figure out how you're gonna fill the spikes in.
All right, I'm gonna go for another clamp. So Kevin, just stand by.
Yep.
Stand by and support. So I'm coming down.
Do it late in, at a slight angle, and you're good.
So just like this?
Yeah, that's
No,
good.
this isn't too far back. There's no
Always
right or
turn down.
wrong.
There's no right or wrong, and it covers up with the next hand laying in.
I'm going one-handed hold in my little clamp. Hold steady.
Oh, it's much better, yeah.
All right, and Carol, you ready for your first clamp? Susan, so far so good?
yeah, beautiful.
All right, and Carol, our final hand.
How does that? Is that too long, Kevin?
Yes.
And where would I cut it?
Alright, leave it.
Or do we need more?
He's laughing at mine.
I was laughing at it. There was a little cross piece. We're gonna take off about that much.
So I'm just gonna.
Nice piece.
Oh, you like one of my pieces? Thanks.
Oh, this is definitely the lime green one.
We had a little lime green in there, so maybe it'll.
Balance.
Yep.
I like lime green. Is that a different type of tree?
We might
No,
have to.
It had a different looking color apparently when they were cutting it the other day. Alright, so when you do the last one, you gotta pull up on the first one gently, so you don't pull it back out.
Right.
You gotta slide this underneath it. Make sure everything's good. Do clamp, check it, and then you
All
gotta
I
right.
kept forgetting to check mine.
spread it back out.
Beautiful.
All right.
And there's your completed wreath.
Wow, that thing's gigantic.
There's a huge wreath.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
That's a big
beautiful.
one.
But a fair substantial weight. You want
Cool. Watch your little eyeballs, Portland.
so you need a good hanger.
Yeah. Nice.
What do we think? I don't know. I think it's okay for our first wreath, but it's not as pretty as some of the other ones. All right, so next step, we're gonna learn how to make a bow and decorate.